Greetings, Soul Star family of the New Earth Nation. Happy Mother's Day to all you glorious, wonderful, beautiful mothers of sacred earth. Thank you for your kindness, compassion, and love for the children of this realm. Happy Pachamama Day, Soul Star family. Every day is a day to honor and connect and transmit our love to our great mother, to the divine feminine. Today was another day of great beauty and connections coming through the field. We had multiple rainbows manifest. At the end of this video, I'll post an image someone took, not myself, but another human, of a huge rainbow over the whole city of downtown Cleveland, Ohio, which is a very auspicious sign on this great Mother's Day. 5/10/2020. I spoke with Divine Sister Eliana from Guatemala, one of my ancestral Mayan friends. And she said every year in Guatemala, Mother's Day is on May 10th. In the States here, it's always the second Sunday of the month, so it's different every year. But in Guatemala, it's on 5/10. So many codes and energy coming in today, especially with the divine waters, the divine feminine energies fully rising up, fully activating. We had a 17 hertz resonance in the Schumann charts today, the Schumann resonance 17, which is symbolic with this Q energy of Quell, source, also synchronic with the Great Awakening. The letter Q is connected with the Omega point, the Alpha, the beginning, the Omega end, and freedom and breaking through all time loops. 17 is 8, which is a symbol of infinity, and the Q is breaking that infinite time loop of history repeating itself, of time being an unbreakable pattern. So the breakthrough is source energy manifesting through us, through consciousness, through awareness, to free all sentient beings of pure consciousness from all cycles of suffering and disconnection and separation programming. In unity consciousness, we are here manifest in this realm in the final days of the false construct of the matrix to activate the divine La Matrica, the divine waters of the sacred, of the holy water, of the sacred mother. So thank you for joining us on this great journey, this great adventure together. And we are right at the precipice of reaching critical mass for manifesting the event which, to my team, symbolizes the quantum leap of consciousness from Homo sapien to Homo luminous, which is light body. It is eternal bliss consciousness, living 100% from the heart, being connected to all things, all beings, in all realms, all timelines, all dimensions, freeing all life from the cause and the causation of all suffering, to become whole, to heal, and to transcend that which keeps consciousness trapped in lower frequency, lower dimensions. Today, we start our first transmission from Romeo Baron, and you can meditate on the image in today's video from Divine Sister Suzanne Amara with the Unity Code artwork from Romeo Baron, Crystal Code Keepers of Universal Connections, devoted to pure love. As we anchor and ride the accelerated, limitless waves of the cosmic divine frequencies in solar, living, crystalline, intensified light expansions, the Trinity source codings are being restored, unified as one, within the starseed manifestation, crystal plasma diamond sun body, fully aligned to the avatar of ascension, galactivation of the superconscious mind, and the highest truth expression, synchronized in divine right order, powerfully active through the Christ Collective Oneness Team, the Crystal Code Keepers of Universal Connections, devoted to pure love, liberation, spiritual freedom, and sovereignty upheld for all. Through the crystal river living fountain of light's purest intention, we are consciously dedicated fully and completely to our permanent, non-dual spiritual core true essence of Christos Sophia rainbow embodiment, eternally sustained, the fusion of the divine masculine and divine feminine sound, tones, genetic codings of the Trinity source, balanced inner union, merged in harmony to bring about total transformation of eternal oneness. The Trinity source code correlates to the 0-point window of consciousness, depolarization, and energetic expansion of unlimited creative divine potential. Let the great central rainbow sun heart radiate the arc codes of harmonic resonance everywhere, personal and planetary, for the most benevolent organic world hologram made manifest in action, protecting, blessing, strengthening, conveying full power with glory from the realms on high, and to all life ascended into the radiant pure light with wings of cosmic victory flowing forever as the full quantum transfiguration in total divine wholeness and universal living truth, fulfilling the kingdom of heaven's dream in loving, joyous, magnificent grace for all eternity. May you all be free through the cosmic divine Trinity and shine all the way like the blazing sun within the purity of your ever-loving sacred heart. Thank you, beloved I Am presence of humanity. It is done, so be it, and so it is. Romeo Baron, Aqua Blue Rainbow, Crystal Solar Guardian Host, Lyra 144, Harmonics Activator. And from Judith Kusel, the message I am being clearly given is that planet Earth is now moving at rapid pace from the 5th into the 7th dimensional state, and is shaking off the 3D and the shackles and bonds, and whatever is still trying to keep the 3D in place is being broken apart and is being released. This is not just going to happen in one go, but over a period, and it is busy happening in the highest degrees. The 3D has to dissolve, move out, and all who held humanity in that state by divine command. It is bringing forth an immense clearing open to the very core of our heart and soul, as we need to be aware that the old life and the old way of life is disintegrating. There is no going back anymore. The dimensional changes are happening through the open heart center, and thus through the highest states of pure, unconditional love. We are in the midst of the fires of purification sweeping the planet. We are in the middle of the sweeping changes. Even though it may seem no thing is happening, it is all happening, and on multiple levels and fronts. Therefore, we will feel ourselves going through intense inner changes as the upgrading is at accelerated pace. Allow this to sweep through you. Remember that even relationships are going through these intense changes. Humanity is waking up in the highest degrees, and thus the ones who woke up before now need to assist the rest. But know that the greatest of all assistance lies within yourself as you stay firmly anchored in your soul mission and purpose, and stay absolutely focused on the highest path, your calling, no matter what is happening in and around you. Keep going within for guidance and clarification, and be firmly anchored in the divine and higher soul self. The negative ego is now dissolving. It has no place anymore in the higher realms. Keep the faith. Keep walking the path of truth and integrity with love. So much of the old paradigm will now come up and will try to regain ground, but its days are gone. Its time has passed. It cannot hold form anymore, no matter what it tries to conjure up. We are being surrounded by the divine and all the cosmic helpers at this time in an unprecedented manner, such as never happened before, for even the universal powers are here now. Yes, it will feel as if you are on a roller coaster ride. Yes, it will feel as if you are being cleaved open, and yes, it will be confusing at times. Keep focused, keep disciplined, keep up the cleansing and clearing, and use the violet fires. This is time when we are all being prepared to move rapidly in an accelerated pace with Mother Earth from the 5th into the 7th, and it is going to take some doing, but we will get there. Keep the heart open no matter what. Indeed, rejoice, for the new golden age is here. The foundations are being laid. A new life, a new beginning. Rejoice. I have spoken. Judith Kusel from judithkusel.com. And from the Archangelic Calendar, Gaia is firmly set in the element of spirit. It's amazing to see her will in action. The most important part of this is the fact that she is deciding on her own, and there isn't anything else influencing her motions at all. Holy shift, Batman, did we ever move to a better timeline? Impressive work by our Archangelic Legion as they single-handedly manifested this change from start to finish. Clearly, those who need to see this, see this. We get replies from the most interesting people of Earth and beyond, all of whom are engaging with our calendar, reports daily. I can safely say that we have the broadest readership base in the galaxy. This is about to be the heaviest transmutation day on record. I cannot even begin to articulate what that means as far as manifestation. The events the cuneiform are alluding to are sure signs of a breakthrough. It is safe to say that all signs point to a very productive day in every way. Organized darkness has split into many factions because confidence in leadership is at an all-time low. Many of these factions have already declared war upon each other. The old guard has severely underestimated the level in which the world has passed them by. This is why the agendas of the old guard have failed so miserably. Massive downloading is coming in from our grounded connection to the earth. As mentioned a few days ago, this was the easiest way for the masses to handle these very intense incoming energies. Nibiru is flashing and is doing some interesting things over the last few days. It almost looks as if it is administering a password of some sort, but to whom or to what is still a mystery. There are so many starcrafts in our skies that it is becoming harder and harder to figure out where one craft ends and the other one begins. The righteous will be severely rewarded. Archangel Zadkiel. And the tools for today's assignment, if it resonates with you, are in the link in the description below, or you can go to primedisclosure.com/white electric wind. The assignments for today: we are working on a macro level, and this format will stay consistent. Please be sure that you are using today's tools if you choose to go with that option. The Lightworkers are the #1 defense system that planet Earth has against invading star beings. Like it or not, there will be a day when we are all united as a unified community in a much larger galactic community of star beings. We are going to do a galactic sweep. This aligns all engineering of the galaxy with its hierarchical engineering systems of the universe. A galactic sweep starts from your heart chakra and radiates out in pulses of light in order to reach the outreaches of our galaxy, Sirdzi. The pulses should be strong and fast and in the following order of light codes: white, pink, light blue, gold, yellow, green, red, black, copper, bronze, brown, teal, rose gold, silver, orange, indigo, violet, platinum, diamond, rainbow. Once the pulses are complete, many galactic temples will come online. Create a beacon to summon forth the energies from these temples. To create a beacon, use any quartz crystal and place it in the palm of your left hand. Use the energy of attraction, draw, by evoking tremendous heat coming off of the stone in your hand. You will know when it is complete by the magnetic feeling it will radiate. You can then place this stone somewhere special or bury it if you wish to leave it undisturbed for an extended period. This will cause major magical anomalies to occur, so please do not be alarmed. From archangeliccalendar.com and from Elizabeth Peru, trust in the unknown. For the past year, I've been speaking about the rise of the cosmic feminine energy on Earth and how it's been rapidly accelerating since June 2019. It's the natural feminine way to trust in the unknown. Right now on Earth, and continuing for many months to come, we need to engage our feminine ability to trust. Rapid ascension, the next 6 through 12 months, understanding cosmic energy, and its effect and influences upon our life has never been more important than it is right now in 2020. Indeed, the next 6 through 12 months will see everyone move through a rapid ascension. Knowing what's happening on the bigger cosmic level is essential to staying grounded and being a beacon of light for others. From ElizabethPeru.com. And from Shamtrul Rinpoche, of course it is good to look after your body, but do not forget to look after your mind also. Just how you get rid of the impurities from the body by feeding it with healthy food, get rid of the impurities of ignorance, anger, and desire from the mind by feeding it with wisdom and compassion. And from the Tzolk'in Times, Kin 42, White Electric Wind. The number 3 is called electric, and its key words are activate, bond, and service. The third step of any wave spell is about activating the process. It really adds electrical energy to whatever day it is combined with. Today is white wind, which represents communication, breath, and spirit. These days are always great for writing letters or poetry, for speaking in public, for having that conversation you have been putting off, or for saying sorry to. One of the key words associated with white wind is spirit, and so don't forget it is a great day to send or receive a message from the universe. As it is an electric day, expect your voice to be amplified. You can activate communication today, and so your message has a lot of power. Be careful what you say. From Christina Papagiorgio, White Electric Wind, Kin 42, 10 May 2020. 10-5-2020 equal 10-5-4 equal 10 equal 1. 10-10 manifestation portal. 10 manifesting authority power. 1 leader new beginnings. 5 liberation change transformation. 4 form structure foundation. Kin 42 equals 6. Heaven, Christ, harmony, family. A powerful spirit doorway is open today for very clear divine guidance. Happy Mother's Day to all the divine nurturers. The highest form of divine service is to care for and nurture others. Day 3 in the yellow sun wave spell of illuminating our highest evolutionary path to reclaim our soul power and full sovereignty. Today we activate our capacity to shine by communicating the messages that are felt through our connections with others. This is the phase where disparate elements are brought together, unified in their quest to serve the world. Tone of creation. Electric is tone number 3 in the tone of creation. It is the first of the 3 emotional realm tones. Its focus is being of service to others through the action of bonding, that is coming together with others to co-create and be of service. Electric energy provides the ignition or spark for your manifestation. It is a current that needs to keep moving and flowing, transmitting energy. It also adds power to anything you are creating today, an extra electrical boost to draw upon. The power of 3 is derived from 2 units merging and creating the third, more powerful entity. This action duplicates the essence of bonding and service that the electric tone provides. Today beckons you to become emotionally mature. Together with your divine counterpart, offer your united energies to be of service to all. Expand your focus from bonding with one to the joy of bonding with all. The electric tone, coupled with the white wind, is a very potent force to receive clear guidance for your divine service mission. Today we are questioning how we can activate our electrical power to send waves of pure charged energy to uplift and energize others through divine service. We need to have an open mind to receive the messages that assist us with our creative vision and our creative ideas. We need to allow thoughts to flow through us and not identify with them. We are the vessels for this consciousness to flow through. Use discernment to know which ideas are the best to implement. Channeling ideas and messages, writing, painting, drawing, speaking, singing. The solutions come forth through allowance. Switch off and tune in today to the whisperings of the spirit messengers. Can you hear them? Our in-breath is of cosmic knowledge, and the out-breath is through creative expression, returning the energy again to our Creator. At times we feel things coming in, but we cannot express them outwardly. Then one day, out of the ethers, we discover we can articulate this wisdom in perfect resolution. By allowing the in-breath and out-breath of our Creator to flow through us, we can realize soul expansion and allow our Creator to expand through our self-actualization. Are you ready to embody the Holy Spirit in your pure divine vessel and witness the miracles that flow through your divine service work? Today's question is, how can I express my creative power through connecting with others in order to serve Spirit? Divine blessings for the full expression of your electrical power. Christina White Magnetic World Bridger, Kin 66, Kin 42, White Electric Wind. The mantra, the code for today is, I activate in order to communicate. Bonding breath, I seal the input of Spirit with the electric tone of service. I am guided by the power of death. And through this great feminine energy coming through today in today's transmission, and this most beautiful feminine Pachamama Mother's Day on 5/10/2020, the mantra coming through was from our Kahuna Sistars and Brostars of Lemuria and the Hawaiian Islands of the Ho'oponopono, which is, I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Ho'oponopono, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. 4 very powerful sentences, especially recited internally and externally with pure intent of healing and transformation. It's a very powerful tool that you can use at any time for activations and transformations. So, beloved beings of light, let us know in the comments below what you're feeling, what you're seeing, what you're experiencing, your visions, your dreams. We had another intense, very vivid night of dreaming last night. These higher energies coming in, the lucidity and the vividness of the higher dimensional journeys are becoming more clear, more evident to our consciousness. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button below and the little bell next to subscribe to get notifications on our future uploads. Also, in the link in the description below is to our website with today's transcriptions of the transmissions today. We archive these on our website, primedisclosure.com. We have over 1,000 transmissions and transcriptions on our website. Also, I'd like to thank everyone that are joining us on this mission for the Healing Retreat Center in Ecuador, South America, in the foothills of the sacred Andes Mountains. Ecuador is the land of plenty. It is sacred land, as is all of Earth, but this is a hub, a portal. The whole country is a sacred portal. It is known far and wide as the hub of the paranormal, supernatural of South America. Many ancient sites, sacred sites, which are connected to the Incan and Mayan lineages of our ancient ancestors and of our star nations. So if you'd like to assist us on this mission, we're raising funds through our Patreon page and with our CBD business. I'd like to thank our new patrons on Patreon today, Divine Bro Star of the Light Rory and Divine Sister Jessica. Thank you for your support. Also to other patrons, I uploaded yesterday my first Qigong training. You can find that on our page, patreon.com/Prime Disclosure. I'd also like to thank and welcome to our team CBD Ecuador, Divine Sisters Cherish and Dorothy. You can join us on CBDpeaceoil.com for raising funds with this opportunity. So thank you for joining us again today, beloved beings of light. Keep shining your glorious light brightly into the night. Nothing can stop us. There is no turning back. Love has won, and love always wins, because love is eternal. Blessings in the eternal light of truth. I love you all. Namaste.